every time you make a sale, sit down and, as much as you can remember, document exactly how the sale happened. How did you find this person? How long would it take for the sale to happen? What were the challenges that you encountered? The value of your business is not in what is working, it's in what is repeatable. You made a billionaire today. Good. Can it happen next week? Can it happen next month? And for it to be able to happen, you need to ask, how did it happen? Why did it happen? What are the factors that made sure that it happened? And how do we replicate that factors in different scenarios to see if it will happen again? Because if it cannot happen again, guess what? It has very little value. The CEO of the business is the custodian of repeatability.
The growth of every business is only as viable and as thriving as the people that work in those businesses, the systems and processes that they follow, and the control measures that guide them. And because why this is important is because these singular things would determine if your business is going to move from being a growing, thriving business to being a sellable, scalable business.
In business, one of the worst places to be is in a place to be exerting efforts without seeing results. That's the worst place to be, and the same it is with marketing. There is nothing as terrible and as frustrating as what we call wrong marketing. You know why? Wrong marketing takes the exact same time, energy, and resources as right marketing.